Hi, I'm Anita from Odisha Jhio Anita's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make for you guys catfish curry. Then let's go ahead and make the recipe now. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once oil hot, then add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them splatter. Then add half cup of onion paste and fry them until evaporate the water for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Then add 1 cup of tomato puree. Add salt as per taste. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add half tablespoon of garam masala powder. Then mix them all the spices. Allow to cook until evaporate the water for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Then add 800 grams of catfish and mix them well and fry for about 2 minutes with masala. If you want, you can fry the fish. So now fish has fried very well with masala. Then add 1 cup of water and allow to boil for a minute. Then add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and allow to cook for a 5 to 6 minutes until fish has cooked very well with the gravy. It's almost 6 minutes. Fish has cooked very well. So yeah friends, catfish curry is ready now. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share my channel, and please don't forget to comment below in the box. So meet you soon guys, another new recipe. Till then, thank you. Bye.